Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to share my 3 main sandwich recipe which you can easily try at your home, and you can take it as your breakfast option or your lunchbox ideas, and for your kids, even for yourself also. So first one is my suji sandwich. This is my ultra favorite sandwiches, like I just love them. What you all need to do, just nicely chop all the vegetables, then add a little bit mayonnaise and salt, garam masala, red chili, and add suji and malai. Okay, suji and malai in an equal quantity, and just mixed up very well and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes on rest. Then you go for brown bread or white bread, whatever bread you want to, you can simply choose it. Now spread the batter on it and simply toast. Okay, you can go for butter or you can go for oil, that is completely optional or up to you, whatever you like you can go for it. Then simply toast the bread, okay, and till the brown crispy layer. Okay, now this is done. Very simple and very nice. If you haven't tried, you should go for this. Like, this is really amazing. Next is the paneer sandwich. I am not a very much big fan of paneer, but still I love this sandwich because it's contain a lot of vegetables and it tastes super nice. So here I added some veggies nicely chopped. Okay, in vegetables I use onion, tomato, capsicum, cabbage. ठीक है, in all the sandwiches I use this. So what you have to do, like simply chop the vegetables, then add mashed paneer, and here I make a little spread that is of tomato sauce and tandoori mayo. Just spread it on the bread on both the sided and add your filling. And this one is a grill sandwich. Okay, I am making in a grill pan. If you don't have a griller at your home, so what you can simply go for, simply toast it like the earlier one we did on the pan. You can simply just do that simply. Okay, so here I grease my toaster maker and just grilled it for like 1 to 2 minutes, and this is ready. It depends up to your machine. Then third one is like my childhood recipe. I'm eating since my childhood. What you need: boiled potato, onion, chili flakes, and garam masala, salt, and red chili. Just simply mix them, and then add coriander, ginger, and here I use brown bread. And next spread the potatoes over it, and again I did the same thing, keep it in a grill pan, and I add some butter also. Here I'm using a butter, you can go whatever you like. This simple 3 sandwich recipes, if you haven't tried yet, you should go for it. This one is amazing. Follow for more. Okay, thank you, bye. Don't forget